Hi everyone, I'm Stu from Kaiterra and I'm here today at One Workplace San Francisco to reveal our newest commercial air quality monitor, the Sensedge Go. And we're here just to really test how quick and easy the installation and setup process is. And to help with that, I've brought along a good friend of ours, Brett Haltop. Say hi to everyone, Brett.
Hey guys, thanks for having me.
Great to have you with us. And maybe you could share with folks what you're up to these days.
Yeah, sure. So I started a workplace consultancy about 2 years ago. It's called WorkShape, and our focus is helping companies get more out of getting together and getting more value out of their workplace experience.
Awesome, and obviously we know, working with you for a few years, data-driven design has been a feature of this, and how do you really figure out what to measure to benchmark and assess employee workplace experience. So, and I know air quality became a big feature for that, which we're very glad about. Can you maybe share a little bit about that journey, where it started, how you got to know us?
Yeah, certainly. So in my time at LinkedIn, leading design, then becoming VP of Workplace, I was on a journey to figure out how to bring data to our design process and how to bring more value to the workplace experience. And in that journey, we kind of almost stumbled upon indoor air quality. And when we did, we were really excited about the opportunity that it presented. And we were introduced to Kaiterra as having one of the best, if not the best sensor at the time. And so we quickly got some of them, tested them at home. We learned a lot and added a whole new language to our vocabulary about indoor air quality. And then since then, I've been looking for new ways to continue to add technology. So I'm totally geeked out and pumped about getting to see what you guys have and see just how cool the new version is.
Absolutely, and we obviously learned a lot from the rollouts across different LinkedIn offices and other clients, and we've heard feedback. So really excited to show this new product. And I know you've got many fellow industry peers, at the end of the camera there. Excited to see the new product for the first time too. So we know you're not going to go easy on us, but we feel pretty confident. And just so everyone knows, this is actually the first time Brett's ever seen the device. So he'll be in the same shoes as you, experiencing it for the first time. So let's go check it out. All right, Brett. So this is the Sensedge Go. Sensedge Go. This is Brett.
Fantastic.
Why don't you go ahead and get a feel for it?
Wow, it's a lot smaller. Yeah, a lot smaller than the last one. It feels very lightweight.
Yeah, and obviously no wires coming out of it because the Sensedge Go is 100% wireless, fully battery powered. Oh, wow. So no more expensive wire drops and redoing Ethernet cabling. Just peel and stick, and you're ready to go.
Wow, that's a game changer. The wiring alone. I mean, I can think of a number of instances where projects didn't happen, sensor projects didn't happen because the installation would take so long just to get it, just to get low voltage wiring, even not even running power, but just low voltage for PoE. Yeah, that's amazing.
Absolutely. That's what we've been hearing, and that's why, like a guiding principle really behind the Sensedge Go is, folks like you can get a device installed and data up online within minutes. So speaking of which, are you up for a challenge, Brett?
Sure.
Right, so what we want to do today is actually test it on you, see how easy it is to install this and get the data online. So I've got a stopwatch here, and we're going to time you and see how quickly you can do it.
Awesome, let's do it.
All right, Brett, should we try and install over here? What do you reckon?
Sure, let's give it a shot. I mean, this looks like good a place as any. There's lots of holes from the previous installation, so we'll hang this piece of art up over those.
There you go. Sounds great. And so I've given you a head start, by the way, by plugging in the power to the gateway over there.
Okay.
So I've shaved off a few seconds there.
Okay.
But just so you know that the gateway could actually be 10, 50, 100 meters away, and then they'll still be able to talk to each other.
All right.
Because that's connected over cellular, and then as soon as you turn this on, it's going to find it.
Over cellular, that's fantastic.
Yeah, absolutely. So let's go ahead now. I've got my stopwatch here. So I'm going to time you once you're ready, and then I'm going to walk you through the whole installation.
Okay.
You ready?
Make sure you go fast.
We will. Ready, set, go. So first thing, I want you to turn it on with the button on the back.
Okay.
Yep, there we go. And then peel off the double-sided tape on the back there.
One.
Yeah, and get that second one off. And then I want you to put it up to where you want to install. Just get it in place. Press it up against the wall and hold it for 3-5 seconds. And good. Okay. That's done. That's installed.
Okay.
Now we're going to bring it online. So get out your phone.
All right.
I want you to log into the Kaiterra app. So you don't need to configure the gateway. That's already connected.
All
so you just want to click add a new device. Then you want to tap that against the device. Don't worry, we're not going to charge your credit card. I'm going to click through, and now we're going to get it mapped to the space. So pick the building we're in.
Got it. Done.
Pick the floor.
Okay.
Pick the space.
Okay. Going fast.
Click complete. Yep. And you're done. 46 seconds.
I'm pretty good.
Yeah, that was
amazing.
pretty fast, faster than
That was really
expected.
That was really fast.
You must say, yeah, exactly. And so very little network configuration, pill and stick, it's on the wall. Yeah, what are your thoughts?
Well, I just think, you know, the fact that someone could go, because if I'm understanding this right, that gateway, I'm connected to cellular through this if I want to be?
Yeah, so the gateway is connected up through cellular, and then these devices, as soon as that's turned on, that's finding the gateway and it's talking to each other.
Well, that's another game changer, because that means as a workplace leader, I could just install these. I really don't have to ask anybody, you know, from a security perspective, because I'm not on the network.
Yep.
From an installation perspective, anyone on my team can install these.
Yep.
So that is a definite game changer, and I think it's the sort of thing that even if someone wanted to try some of these in a few rooms just to see how it goes and understand the data, I mean, it's almost effortless.
So good stuff, and you did a great job. 46 seconds.
46.
Pretty good
No one's
record.
beating that.
Let's actually just have a check out at what the data looks like. So if you just go back to the app, you can see the device is now online. And, and what kind of air are we breathing, Brett? Can you?
483 parts per million on the CO2. It's green, so
that's
tell me
good.
that's good.
That's good. So you can see all the parameters there.
Okay, we got and 24 degrees Celsius. I don't even know how warm that is, but
it's
feels
perfect.
good in here.
Yeah,
Perfect.
optimal temperature. So great space, great job. I mean, on that note, definitely another big thank you to One Workplace San Francisco for hosting us in your pristine office, and thanks, Brett, for showing how quickly we could do it. We'll keep your 46 seconds starting record, and we'll see who can beat it.
Excellent.
But yeah, thanks again for joining us, and back to you, Liam and Yaz.